Hi friends, welcome my channel JM Express. So in this video we are review top 5 best digital oscilloscope. Oscilloscopes are a crucial tool for anyone working in electronics or electrical engineering. They allow you to measure and visualize electrical signals, making them invaluable for debugging circuits, testing equipment, and developing new designs. So let's get started our video.
Number 5. It's better quality product in this list. This product full details. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime. Please click subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 4. This is one of the best product in this video. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime. If you want more information about this product, please check description box. Number 3. This product quality is very good. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime.
Number 2. This product full details. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime.
Number 1.
This product full details.
Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime. Thanks for watching.